Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. This video is about installing a TrollStore on iOS 15.8.6 on all of your devices running this version. This is the easiest method which you can use to install TrollStore using a Windows PC to any of your supported devices for this version. The method shown in this video is completely free, and this video guide is for educational and informational purposes, with the only aim to install TrollStore so that you can install apps on device without a computer. The installation works without a jailbreak, and the good thing is that if you reboot your device, TrollStore will still work along with all of your installed apps. Now to install TrollStore, we will use a TrollRestore, which is again completely free, and we are at its official GitHub page, as you can see right here. Now before you use TrollRestore, make sure that you head to the official Apple's website and install iTunes first. You can simply get to this page, scroll, get iTunes from here, and then install it like any other app. Once iTunes is installed, simply head to the official GitHub page for TrollRestore again, and under releases you will get the latest release. Simply scroll down and you will get this TrollRestore file from here. As you can see, I already got this file. Also, just to assure you that only iTunes is required, you can see I did not install Python. Also, to make sure the process is not interrupted, simply just temporarily disable or turn off Windows Defender. Make sure you turn it on after the process is complete. Simply connect your device via USB and hit trust if it asks you to do. Then right click TrollRestore and then run it as administrator. Here this can take some time, so please be patient, and then you will see this message here. Simply enter the name of the app you want to replace with the TrollStore helper. So I will simply go with tips. Also make sure that the tips app is on your device installed. If you ever removed it, you can easily get it from the App Store by simply searching for it. Also keep your device unlocked and then press enter. After the process, your device will restart. Also, if you use Find My iPhone or Find My iPad, please turn it on after your device boots back on. Now simply press enter to exit TrollRestore. Now we will follow the rest of the process on device. Alright, we are now on device, and you can see it is the same device. It's an iPhone 7 running iOS 15.8.6. And now if I open the tips app, you can see it is now the TrollStore helper. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected and then hit install TrollStore, and your device will automatically respring. When you go in, you will see TrollStore on your home screen. Now simply open it and it will install LDID. Alright, now go to settings and then hit install persistence helper. You can choose any other app, but I will go with the tips app to make it a persistence helper. Now you can go back. Now if you open tips, you can see it is now the persistence helper. TrollStore works fine. Now you can install your apps. Also, as I said earlier in the start, that if you reboot your device, TrollStore will keep on working. So now we will simply turn our device off first. Turn it off. Now I will turn it on. Alright, I'm in. You can see TrollStore works just fine without issues. Persistence helper is there. If you open the tips app, it works perfectly fine. Just in case, sometimes what happens is that if you reboot your device, TrollStore will not open, it will crash. Don't worry, you will simply open the persistence helper and then hit refresh app registrations. And then when you go back to the home screen, TrollStore will open just fine. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section, and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.